Powerful breath again. It's a good market start for the market breath. It's not such a powerful start for the benchmark indices. If one really looks at what is happening in the bank Nifty, well, it's off to a better start. The Nifty yesterday was not the showstopper. The showstopper yesterday was the bank Nifty. Within the bank Nifty, it was HDFC Bank. Where is HDFC Bank? I think HDFC Bank for the moment is consolidating, which some would say is also great news. But what about other banks? Is SBI down? Are other banks regaining some lost mojo? Well, Kotak is bank. So I would imagine that HDFC Bank and Kotak will follow a same pattern. SBI is down on expected lines. I would imagine that without even looking at the screen, that it is PSU versus private or private versus PSU, where private banks are up and PSU banks are down.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of red on the screen outside of the banking pack, much like that was the case yesterday. Although some positive news flow on the telecom subscribers, look at what Reliance is up to, because this has been a drag, rank underperformer amidst the large caps. And today too, it's just dragging its feet around that 2900 mark. Although Reliance Jio has added better subscriber numbers as opposed to its counterparts, that's both Vodafone Idea as well as Bharti. Indian Oil, they've signed a JV agreement with GPS Renewables for sustainable energy solutions. We just talked about Brigade Enterprises. There's an agreement worth about 150 odd crore rupees to develop a tower in Kochi. So look out for that stock. That's gapped up about almost 4% as we speak right now. Gokuldas Exports, they're looking to invest about 350 crore rupees in BRFL Textiles via OCD subscription. That stock is well 2.25% higher and counting upwards as we speak. Sapphire Foods, the board has now okayed a stock split. About 1:5 is the ratio. So that stock as well has gapped up about 5% as we speak right now. And Mass Financials, wherein also there is a QIP buzz, they're looking to raise about 500 crore rupees like we told you earlier. That's another stock in focus. What is Uno Minda up to? What is CE Info Systems up to? Both of them have got an initiation by Goldman Sachs. Uno Minda gaps up almost 7%, and CE Info Systems is the other stock wherein Goldman has initiated with a buy rating, price target 2800. That stock has also gapped up 8.5% as we speak right now. In the meantime, Tata Technologies and Goldman Sachs here has initiated a sell rating and a target price of 900. Let's see what Tata Tech is up to. Seems like this, according to at least their price target, some more downside to go in that stock. There's also Kotak Mahindra Bank, City Union, SBI Life, wherein Macquarie has initiated an upgrade now to outperform for these stocks, but downgraded the likes of Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance, M&M Finance. That entire cluster has been downgraded. Sizable block deal for PNB Housing, 5.25% equity has changed hands, about 1.5% of a block coming in for rate gain travel, and clearly these block deals seem to be quite the flavor of late. But Kunal, the flavor is also private banks, and that continues. Of course, not as much gusto as yesterday, but the positive momentum clearly sustains.
Yeah, I think any kind of a follow-through up move for these stocks after yesterday's 3%, 3.5% kind of up move for large cap private sector banking names would be considered to be positive. So I think HDFC Bank again is leading from the front, and that's the opening trade which I would look to initiate. Maybe the stock comes back to that 1660, 1665 mark, which is the yesterday's close. I think that's a very strong entry point for someone who's looking out for even a 30-pointer to 40-pointer up move for HDFC Bank over the near term.
All right, then.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.